And if you start again, we ringing the bell. When it come, I be doing it and doing it well. Then I beat up the coochie and be making it swell, trying to hide the smell of the stack, being on the Chanel.